how are you all? I hope you all are fine and having good time with your family. Today we are going to start our chapter number 4, Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. Bipin Chaudhary, Lapse of Memory. This is our chapter number 4 from the book Honeydew. This is a humorous story which that the main character has believed that he is sick. This story is about a humorous, like very interesting story it is. There are some characters given in this story. Let me tell you about these characters. Bipin Chaudhary. He is the main character of this story. Parimal Ghosh. First he is the stranger for Bipin Chaudhary, and this story is like the second main point is of Parimal Ghosh. Haridas Bagchi, he is the friend of Bipin Chaudhary. They both are studying in a same school. Dinesh Mukherjee, he is also a friend of Bipin Chaudhary. Chunilal, that is called Chunni Babu, it's also a friend of Bipin Chaudhary. They are known to be a friend, but Bipin Chaudhary जो है वो किसी से इतना मिक्सअप होते नहीं थे. Dr. Paresh Chandra, he is the specialist. He is the doctor having a small role in this story. So as I told you, this is a humorous story. एक prank किया जाता है that Bipin Chandra के ऊपर. So let's begin with the story. Bipin meets Ghosh. Now what is that? Bipin Chaudhary जो है उनको बुक्स पढ़ने का बहुत शौक है. He liked to read ghost stories and all. So he went to the Kalicharan bookshop and he bought some of the to buy some of the books. वो books खरीदने के लिए वहाँ पर गए. When he was buying a books, he saw that something is staring like एक बहुत closely कोई stare कर रहा है उनको, like बहुत घूर के देख रहा है. When he saw back, he thought. When he saw back and he realized that still someone was there who staring at him. Suddenly वो जो stare कर रहे थे, that was Parimal Ghosh, and he came to Bipin Chaudhary and asked him, "Did you recognize me? क्या मुझे जानते हैं?" Who said? Parimal Ghosh said to Bipin Chandra. Bipin Chandra said, "No, I am not recognizing you. Who are you? हम पहले कभी मिले नहीं हैं." परिमल घोष स्टिल स्माइल दे रहे हैं उनको, स्माइल देते देते कि आप सच में मुझे नहीं जानते. तो बिपिन चौधरी कहते हैं नहीं, मैं आपको नहीं जानता हूँ. देन वो वहां से बुक स्टोर से चले जाते हैं और चलते चलते जो परिमल घोष जी हैं वो उनका पीछा कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, पीछे जाते हैं. देन आफ्टर सडनली वो उनको कहते हैं कि यस, आई एम नॉट रिकॉग्नाइजिंग यू. Who are you? कौन पूछता है? बिपिन चौधरी. परिमल घोष बताते हैं कि आप मुझे कैसे नहीं जानते जबकि हम रांची में मिले थे 1958 में. वो कह रहे हैं कि आप मुझे कैसे नहीं जानते. We met in रांची in 1958. He was shocked कि when I was visited रांची, वो कभी रांची गए नहीं थे. वो तो उन्होंने कभी रांची का नाम भी he has never visited रांची in his life yet. ठीक है, वो कह रहे हैं कि आप मेरे साथ रहे थे, आप अपने फ्रेंड दिनेश मुखर्जी के साथ मुखर्जी के साथ आप रांची आए थे, हम वहां पे मिले थे. आपको नी में चोट लगी थी और आपके अभी तक वो चोट का निशान होगा. आप अपने फ्रेंड दिनेश मुखर्जी के साथ आए थे. दिनेश मुखर्जी अपने फ्रेंड के अपनी सिस्टर के घर रहे थे और आपने बंगलो रेंट पे लिया हुआ था. और दिनेश मुखर्जी को खुद खाना बनाना अच्छा नहीं लगता है, इसलिए उन्होंने बावर्ची को अपॉइंट किया हुआ था. And I know many more thing about you, like your wife is that you have a brother, only brother, and he is also that, and he was insane. मतलब वो क्या था? पागल था. He thought कि how does this fellow knows that everything about me, but I never met him before. मैं कभी उनसे पहले मिला नहीं हूं, तो ये इतनी सारी चीजें मेरे बारे में कैसे जानते हैं. He went home with his driver and he was thinking about it firstly he thought that he need to write letter to Haridas Bagchi because he was in Kanpur in 1958 and he was with Haridas Bagchi at that period of time. ठीक है? So he thought कि he will write letter to Haridas Bagchi, but then suddenly he thought that Haridas Bagchi is not here. He went to Germany. वो कहाँ गए? जर्मनी में गए, वो तो जर्मनी चले गए ऐसा. Then he wants to confirm his doubt. Bipin Babu decided to confirm. Next day he went to the office and it was the lunch time. He decided to take his lunch, but first he thought that he need to confirm the doubts which that given by Parimal Ghosh कि अपन रांची में, हम रांची में मिले हुए हैं, हम रांची में मिले हैं, ऐसा उनको जो कंफर्म करना था कि दैट इज ट्रू और नॉट. शायद मैं अपनी मेमोरी तो नहीं खो रहा हूं, मतलब मेरी मेमोरी तो नहीं जा रही है. Then he has taken a receiver, he has called to the Dinesh Mukherjee and he asked him, क्या मैं हम लोग रांची चले थे, क्या हम रांची चले थे in 1958? Dinesh Mukherjee said yes, हम तो वहां पे चले थे, हम वहां पे रांची गए हुए थे. After hearing all this thing, क्या हो गया? दिनेश मुखर्जी कहते क्या आपको सच में याद नहीं है कि हम रांची चले थे? वो फोन करने से पहले ही सोच रहा था कि मैं दिनेश मुखर्जी को फोन करूं कि नहीं करूं, बिकॉज दे आर नॉट अ रियल फ्रेंड ऑफ दिस बिपिन चौधरी. एक नाम के फ्रेंड जैसे होते हैं ना, दे आर लाइक दैट. सो दे डिसाइडेड दैट बिपिन चौधरी then decided कि he was thinking about it and everything was going in his mind that what is going on and what about that, and that was very alarming situation that seriously he is losing his memory or what. Then after Chunni Lal, he decided to call Chunni Lal and he asked Chunni Lal that I was there in Ranchi in 1958, but according to me I was in Kanpur in 1958. I didn't remember that I was there or not. Then Chunni Lal also confirmed that yes, you were in Ranchi in 1958. He was like shocked and मतलब उसको तो बहुत ऐसे अजीब सा फील होने लगा कि अब क्या होगा आगे, मतलब मैं सच में अपनी मेमोरी लूज कर रहा हूँ. And he was working in that same company, जिस कंपनी वो काम करते थे, वो काम कर रहे थे 25 years and he has never become sick. But today, on the day when he called Mukherjee and he called that Chunni Lal Babu, he was feeling so sick, he went home early. From last 25 years, he never went home early. He went to the home and he was thinking about it and he called his friend Chunni Lal at home from the home and he talked to him and he asked कि what I should do, like clearly I am losing my memory or what. Then he consulted that you should go to the doctor and consult the doctor that this incident is happening to you and you have forgot that incident, that memory. He went to the doctor, the specialist, that is Dr. Paresh Chandra. He has told everything about this and he has told about his symptoms and the doctor was shocked after hearing all these things and he suggested that you should visit Ranchi again. Babu visited at Ranchi. He suggested you should visit Ranchi again and you should see all those places where you visited. Like उस वजह से शायद आपकी memory वापस आ जाए. He visited Ranchi. He went into the station. He dropped into the station and he said, he thought that मैं तो यहाँ पे कभी आया ही नहीं हूँ. स्टेशन देख के भी उनको कुछ याद आया नहीं. Then he went to Woodrow, जिसमें बताया गया था कि Woodrow में वो लोग beginning of the story it was that कि Woodrow में उन्होंने visit किया था. He went to Woodrow also, but he was not remembering anything about Ranchi. After all this thing, he become unconscious. वो वहाँ पे गिर गए और दो गुजराती लोग उनको उठा के उनके प्रॉपर जगह पर पहुंचाया. He came again and when he came, he saw a letter from Chunni Lal that this was the prank that we have done for you. This is the मस्ती, ये हमने आपके साथ मजाक किया था. क्यों? क्योंकि मैंने एक टाइम पर आपसे फाइनेंशियल हेल्प मांगी थी, जॉब मांगी थी, लेकिन आपने मेरी हेल्प करी नहीं थी. सो जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आई वांट दैट रिवेंज फ्रॉम यू. मुझे आपसे वो रिवेंज चाहिए था, इस वजह से मैंने आपके साथ ये प्रैंक किया. हाँ, प्रैंक किया. एंड दे ऑल आर एक्सेप्ट दिस डॉक्टर परेश चंद्र and Haridas Bagchi, because he has not asked anything to him. So these three people were included in it. So that was the then after he went to the doctor. After hearing all this thing, he went to the doctor and he asked that doctor asked that what was the like you visited Ranchi and what was the result of it, and he said yes, I visited over there and I remember everything now. So that was not a lapse of memory, but that was a prank that is done by these three people. वो अगर बताते कि मेरे साथ ये प्रैंक किया गया है तो डॉक्टर भी उनके ऊपर हंसता. Just because of that he has lied that it was like मैं वहाँ पे विजिट किया और मुझे सब कुछ याद आ गया है. So this is the chapter that we have. I told you it is very interesting story. It is very interesting humorous story. So I hope you all have understood this. I will send a PDF of this chapter. You need to write that in your workbook. Till that, bye bye. Take care. Stay at home. Stay safe.